Noah is telling his son, oh my son, come and ride with us. Come. And don't be from the disbelievers. You know what the son replied? قال سآوي إلى جبل يعصمني من الماء. I am going to climb at the top of the mountain. I'll do mountain climbing. I'll be hiking up. I'll go to the top of the mountain. It will save me from the water. What's the big deal? Every time water comes, we can go to a high area and there won't be any water in the high area. Nuh alayhi salam looked at his son and says, you know what? لا عاصم اليوم من أمر الله إلا من رحم. Nobody is going to be saved from the command of Allah on this day except the one whom Allah has mercy on. And suddenly what happened? A massive wave came between them and that young fellow drowned. Up to this day, the echo of Nuh alayhi salam's words remains with us in the Quran. Allah mentions it not so that you can say, nice story, but you ask yourself, how many times have people reminded you and I to do good and to quit the bad? Because there will be a day when it will be too late, but we don't listen to the echoes and we don't want that enlightenment.